Hey everyone, Techno Manager here. In today's video, I'm going to explain to you what this Emergency SOS, iPhone initiated Emergency SOS means, and also how you can turn that off if you accidentally did this. So basically, your phone has a built-in Emergency SOS to help in an emergency situation. How it's activated by is if you press the volume up and the side button for about 8 seconds or so, it will start calling emergency services unless you let go or cancel. And when you do that, that notification and the timestamp with it. Now, if it didn't go all the way through, it's not going to call the emergency service. It just gets canceled. Now, if you go all the way through, it's going to call the emergency services, have someone on the other line, and you can explain to them if it's an actual emergency, or if it's not, you can let them know that it is not an emergency and they can cancel it if you did it accidentally as well. Now, if you want to prevent this from accidentally happening, what you can do is go into your setting and then look for emergency. So in this page, if you want to prevent this from happening, all you would do is turn this setting off, and in the future it will no longer do that. You still have the option to emergency call. When you do press it, there's a option to slide to call, but pressing and holding those two buttons will prevent basically happening emergency calls happening. So that's what this means and what you can do. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. I'll see you guys next time.